The Samsung Galaxy S26 series is shaping up to be one of the most talked about smartphone launches of 2026, but not necessarily for the reasons Samsung might have hoped. While fans are always excited about what Samsung brings to the table each year, the latest leaks about the Galaxy S26 Ultra's design have sparked a lot of controversy. Many longtime Samsung fans are not happy with the rumored look of the new Ultra model. Based on what's been revealed so far, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could have a camera layout that's very different from what we've seen in the past, and it's not sitting well with everyone. Leaked images suggest that Samsung is moving away from its signature floating lens design and opting for a separate camera island on the back that houses 3 of its main lenses. Now, that might sound like a small change, but visually it's a big shift. The new design reportedly makes the Ultra look a lot like Samsung's mid-range phones, particularly models from the Galaxy S series. And that's exactly what's upsetting people. In a recent poll, about 37% of users said they don't like the new look because it makes the Ultra, Samsung's most premium phone, resemble cheaper devices. Another 26% said it's a refreshing change, while 12% think it gives the phone a distinctly Samsung identity. The remaining 25% said they don't really care about the design at all. Now, while it's normal for opinions to be mixed, the 37% of disappointed users is a pretty big number. And if you're Samsung, that's a red flag. After all, the Ultra lineup has always represented the pinnacle of Samsung's smartphone design and technology. It's supposed to look and feel exclusive, not like something from the mid-range category. Many fans are saying that Samsung's Ultra phones are starting to lose their charm. This design change isn't completely out of the blue, though. Samsung actually started experimenting with this camera island style on the Galaxy S25 Edge, and then continued it with the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Both phones had variations of this new design direction. But there's a difference, those were niche products. The Edge was an ultra-slim experiment, and the Fold 7 was part of the company's growing foldable lineup. The Galaxy S26 Ultra, however, is not a niche phone. It's supposed to be the crown jewel of Samsung's smartphone lineup, the one that shows off its innovation, craftsmanship, and leadership in the Android world. So if Samsung decides to use the same design language as its budget A56, it feels like a step backward. And that's what many fans are frustrated about. They feel Samsung is blurring the line between its premium and mid-range models, taking away what made the Ultra stand out in the first place. But to be fair, it's probably not the end of the world. Design, while important, isn't the only thing that defines a great smartphone. Performance, camera quality, battery life, and software experience matter just as much, if not more. It's possible that Samsung simply wants to create a more unified design language across all its devices. Maybe the goal is to make every Samsung phone instantly recognizable, regardless of whether it's a budget model or a premium flagship. And if that's the case, the company might not be too worried about the criticism. After all, not everyone buys a phone for its looks. Some people care more about what's under the hood, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to deliver big in that department. Rumors suggest the phone will come with next-generation AI features, an improved Exynos or Snapdragon chipset, and major camera upgrades that could once again push it to the top of the smartphone market. So even though the design might not please everyone, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could still be one of the best-performing phones of 2026 in the end. Samsung's decision might come down to one simple idea: consistency. The company may no longer want the Ultra to stand apart visually, but instead be seen as part of a cohesive Samsung family. Still, for those who love the bold, distinctive design of past Ultras, this change might sting a little. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will no doubt be powerful and feature-packed, but if the leaks are true, it might also look a lot more like Samsung's cheaper phones, and that's a tough pill to swallow for fans of the Ultra legacy.